Sets are collections of values just like arrays, except they have two differences. First, items aren't stored in any order. They're stored in what is effectively a random order. Second, no item can appear twice in a set. All items must be unique. You can create sets directly from arrays like this. Let colors equal set, red, green, blue. When you look at the value of colors inside the playground output, you'll see it doesn't match the order we used to create it. It's not really a random order, it's just unordered. Swift makes no guarantees about its order. Because they're unordered, you can't read values from a set using numerical positions like you can with arrays. If you try to insert a duplicate item into a set, the duplicates get ignored. For example, let colors 2 equals set red, green, blue, red, blue. The final colors 2 set will still only include red, green and blue once.